Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to study about how to use erase command in AutoCAD. So students, see here, this is the object. First we will see, I'm going to select this object like this, okay, and pressing delete, okay, and object has been deleted as you can see here, okay. Similarly, the erase command is working in AutoCAD. Let's see how it is. So for that I am here selecting here from this tab erase command, or you can simply type the here shortcut for erase, that is ER erase. See here, I'm typing here the shortcut ERA erase and pressing enter, okay. After that you need to select the objects which you want to erase from here, okay. So I am here now selecting the objects. I am selecting this one, this one, this one, then again this one. You can select the multiple objects at a time, okay. As you can see here, I'm selecting the objects, multiple objects here, as you can see here, okay. Now you need to press, after selecting the objects you need to press enter, and after pressing the enter, as you can see here, selected objects has been erased from this my AutoCAD page, okay. So students, in this video we have understood about how to use erase command in AutoCAD. Thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.